Yo, you not even know no youth. I'm not going like say yo. I want I want flying on some on way, but it's not reaching enough for me. No. No last me way, no look for me good. No last me, no notice when I see you, I still not see you. I just stare up on the world through my rear view, I not see you. I pass you, I not see you, a blood clot. So all I want to feel say you first year or second year we are playing. You go and play them game there. Because I not see you. You know all the right in front of me, I still not see you because I'm in my own zone. I not see you. Okay, what amount of money I still not see you. Because I'm in the see you from first, I not see you now. Money not attract me. No. A realness attract me. Yeah, man. And we cut off some people too. Some people, if we cut them off, we don't want to see them again. Because pagan them, Judas. Also Rasta for trim. Some dread for trim. Some boy for clean up their heart. Clean up their soul. Some ballad for trim too. Continue trimming. Because not black like potato youth. Fire cold black is no have youth. Yo. Not gonna feel a joke to but hey. Youth. More while man sit down on a meds pound youth. Me I wonder say yo. You know what happened to no youth. Yo. Brother. Brother. You know. COVID coming like he come in, can show everybody who them real is. Yo, I 50 shall survive, you know. I see some enough of them boys sell out already, you know. Yeah, man, enough of them boys sell out, man. Enough of them girls sell out already, man. When I say sell out, I mean sell out. You know, yo, I just move them to get moved, because they sell already. And if you don't turn up strong, then go sell you too. Yeah. Yo, next thing too, yo, let me tell you this, man. Because we are tough blood clot soldier, you know. If a girl feeling can hurt me, be think again, man. I don't carry my heart to nobody. Feelings I work with. So if I feel you, I feel you. No heart, nothing in it. Yeah. And some of you boy, but I love deep. And I love hard. Love when you pick me youth. I love the blood clot mothers. And some of you girl love the fathers. Because some of you know nothing but one BS, you know. Social media have no week, you know, man, on a lifestyle upon the line there, you know. Yeah, man. All I know, I just don't know what I want. I remember when they say everybody have one trip in a 2000. Right now, I realize everybody a trip now. Yeah, man. Everybody take off like a blood clot tourist on a flight. I don't know what I want. But I hold it, you know. I hold it. Yeah, man. You see, Connie bud, I want hard bud for that. All of them spread too much rumors for them. They lock them up in how much cage. Connie bud always fly out, and that I me. The amount of candle in a light for me and they sing over me and they do everything, man. Boy, I don't know what else left for them, so I don't do, you know. I don't know what else left for them, so I don't do. Me a thief, me a liar, me chat enough, me a killer. I don't know what else left for them, so I don't do. Don't joke in it, but guess what? They can't get rid of me. Because they kill the body, they can't kill the spirit. And me not walking in them way where them gun point for them kill me. So they can't kill the body neither. And I'm 90. So all on no black heart and no black soul, you better get rid of them, because you can't stop me. You only have to look for me to walk and ride and smile and know, say yes, I the big fat blood clot boy that. I know me I take off way to not fret. But the Bible says fret not, my son, my child. Yeah, man. And the Bible says, John 3 verse 16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten son. You don't forget that. No for no wicked telling not even know a psalm in our Bible, not a Bible verse. But my Samuel, Psalm 121, I will lift up my eyes to the hills, from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord who made heaven and earth. You can't touch me. Get behind me! Satan, you can't touch me. You can't do me nothing. You only have to see me and wish me well. Yes. You have an next psalm that says, plead my cause, O Lord. Fight against those who fight against me. Me not fight against nobody. Me left you to fight against yourself. You no bad mind and you no corrupt heart. I fight you already. Me I leave you there so. Me not fight you. So all you did they hype up on the girl. The boy this and the boy that. Aye. Me not do nothing. Me I left you. See COVID-19 coming there where they beat him out no bad. You know all sell out. Who are name Batman turn Batman now? Kawa, you know you're red. All I know, me no grudge enough for nothing. I don't have enough. Because no for you sit down and can't sit down good. No for you mouth if you never help me to rank. Not even blood clot piece pan. Kawa. Cat no come out and you throat youth. Yeah. So me no grudge no. You see me living a dollar lifestyle and I eat me alright with. You go and do what you do, me no bad man, me no grudge full. And remember what me say. Psalm 121, you can't go around me. So all I know what they hype and they go on, me no know how about, oi. Leave you me. I was sent there for a cause and I'm staying here for that cause. Yes, no joke. You can't do me a thing. You have to see me and wish me well. I'm anointed from head to toe. Believe in what me I tell you now. You can't touch me. I'm fully anointed. No joke. Yes.